tropical mango, pineapple smoothie, healthy and refreshing recipe. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a delicious and refreshing tropical mango pineapple smoothie that's packed with vitamins, natural sweetness, and tropical flavors. It's perfect for breakfast, a healthy snack, or a refreshing drink on a warm day. Let's get started. Ingredients. Host. For this smoothie, you'll need 1 cup fresh or frozen mango chunks, 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 banana, 1 cup coconut water or coconut milk, a handful of ice cubes, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Preparation. First, add the mango chunks to your blender. Camera shows mango being added. Next, add the pineapple chunks. Camera zooms in on the colorful fruit. Now add the banana for natural sweetness and a creamy texture. Pour in the coconut water or coconut milk. Add a handful of ice cubes, and if you'd like it a little sweeter, add a teaspoon of honey. Blending. Now it's time to blend. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until everything is smooth and creamy. Host pours smoothie into a tall glass. Look at that beautiful tropical color. This smoothie is loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and natural antioxidants. Garnish with a pineapple slice or mango cube. It's sweet, creamy, and bursting with tropical flavor. The combination of mango and pineapple is absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a healthy recipe. Let me know in the comments what smoothie you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music fades out.